I've taught Lightroom classes all over the world, and on Tuesday, May 8th at 6 p.m., I want to bring that education to you in a free online environment. I'm going to be joined by my good friend and fellow photography instructor and Lightroom instructor, Steve Skurich. We are going to give you the tips and tricks you need to edit with confidence and create images with impact. I'm going to be talking about importing. It sounds fairly basic, but there are tools that Lightroom provides for you that makes it really easy to bring your images in an efficient way, edit them on import, and organize them in such a way that you can find them again tomorrow, next week, or in 5 years. Steve is going to talk about editing. What can you do to the images? How do you know how much you should move the sliders? Which sliders you can move a lot? Which ones you should be very gentle with? Along with some tips and tricks for selective editing that really allow your images to pop, but maintain that sense of realism. All of this is going to be covered, and most importantly, time set aside to answer your questions in this interactive webinar. It's going to be May 8th, 6 p.m. Pacific time. The link to sign up is right down below. It's 100% free. Look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.